Have you ever wanted to make a great salad? Got you taken care of today. What's up, T-Bad family? Welcome back to my channel, where T-Bad stands for tasty, beautiful, and affordable dishes. We have a great dish coming at you today. It's a strawberry power green salad with pesto grilled chicken, topped with feta cheese and sunflower seeds. This dish was only $10 for 2 people. Thank you so much for tuning in. Let's get into it. You're watching the T-Bad channel. You're watching the T-Bad channel. Alright guys, I'm so excited for this. Look at this. So I actually had something like this at Thanksgiving. My cousin used to make it, and I kind of tweaked it a little bit. So put some chicken. Let's try it. It tastes healthy. It feels healthy. Oh my goodness, this was so fun to make. And the chicken. Y'all gotta try this. Oh my god. Damn. Look at this. Oh my god. Well guys, thank you so much for tuning in. I hope you enjoyed this video. This was so fun to make. This is a strawberry power green salad with pesto grilled chicken, topped with feta cheese and sunflower seeds, all with one of my favorite dressings. This is a raspberry walnut vinaigrette. Hope you enjoyed this. Please tune in next time. This is the T-Bad channel. See you later. Bye.